G'day guys and welcome to another Cisco video, and today it's going to be all about introduction to Cisco switches. So let's get stuck into it straight away. Bob calls complaining that he cannot access the network. Come on Bob. When you look at the switch, you notice the port he is connected to is displaying an amber light. What does this mean? So we got the IP address on the switch is incorrect, default gateway setting on the switch is incorrect, default gateway setting on Bob's station is incorrect, or the port has been disabled. In the instance when there's an amber light, we've got a few options there, but by and large, the answer here is D. If you have an amber light, the port has been disabled. 353, after powering on the Cisco switch, you notice that the system LED is green. What does this indicate? We've got the system started without problems and is operational. Power problem, problem with default VLAN. There were post errors. Okay, so this is just powering on, so VLANs have nothing to do with anything there. It's green, so there won't be any errors. There's no power problems, so it'll be A. The system started without problems and is operational. 354, the switch has the display mode set to status and port 4 is blinking green. What does this indicate? We've got there is a link waiting for traffic to be sent, and we've got the port is running in full duplex, and we've got data is being transmitted. Alrighty, so if there's a link, there's generally just a green. Waiting for traffic to be sent probably won't be blinking green. So we've got C and D, data being transmitted, or the port is running in full duplex. The answer for this one is D. Data is being transmitted. Normally when you go into a server room, there's switches and they've got blinking lights, stuff's going down, you know. 355, after powering on the Cisco switch, you notice that the system LED is amber. What does this indicate? It's not good. That's for starters. The system started without problems and is operational, so it's not going to be that one. There is a power problem, that's possible. There is a problem with the default VLAN. VLANs have nothing to do with anything at the minute, and there were post errors. So obviously there's a net power issue, so there's going to be B or D. The answer for this one is D. There were post errors. So if that's the case, you'll get an amber light on the Cisco device. 356, you wish to verify which ports on the switch are running in full duplex mode. How would you do this? We've got switch to display mode to duplex and watch for the solid green amber light on different ports. Switch to duplex and watch for amber light on different ports. Switch the display mode to duplex and watch for no light. And then we got switch to duplex and watch for flashing green light on different ports. Alright, so what we're going to try and achieve here, so if they're running full duplex mode, they're going to be flashing. So the answer, flashing green, sorry. So the best way to figure this out would be A. Switch the display mode to duplex and watch for the solid green light on different ports. Obviously if it's data transmission and they're in full duplex mode, they're going to be flashing green, so green would be the next best bet there. And obviously if there's no light, it'll be running at a lesser speed. Amber means there's something wrong or the port's disabled, as we saw earlier. 357, when your switch is set to the display mode of speed, what does the LED for a 1 gigabit port look like? Got flashing amber, solid green, flashing green. So we know amber's not amazing, sort of not ideal / disabled ports. Solid green, yeah, it means there's a connection, but there's not much happening. Flashing green is what we want. D. That basically means it's set to 1 gigabits on the port. The 358, the switch display mode, and there'll be a question soon which sort of outlines a few bits and pieces there. 358, the switch display mode is set to duplex and you have a computer connected to port number 4, something with port number 4, with no light displaying on the port. What is the problem? And we got there's no link, no traffic being sent, the port is running in half duplex, the port is running in full duplex. If it was in full duplex, there would be obviously flashing lights and things. So leave us with the other three with no traffic being sent. I think that's probably wrong as well, being that you can still do stuff, doesn't mean traffic has to be happening, and there's still things that can be happening on the light. No light, so it gives us A and C, and the answer for this one is C. The port is running in half duplex, so that's what it does when there's no light. 359, you have the display mode set to speed on your 10, 100, 1000 switch. 3 of the ports are not displaying a light. What does this indicate? We got ports running at 1000 megabits, so gigabit, 100 megabits, 10 megabits, and we've got no data is being transmitted. So remember, it doesn't necessarily have to be data being transmitted for it to have no light. So one of these ones is not going to have a light. And we know that 1000 will be flashing green light, and we know 100 will be solid green light. So that leaves us with C. Ports are running at 10 megabits. No good at all. That's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I've got the website there. Subscribe away for more content to keep coming thick and fast. Yeah, really appreciate you guys watching, and hope you enjoyed the content, like the video, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.